Welcome to Freeway Studio, guys. Today I came up with S8 smartwatch that is here. So it looks very great in the packing. You can see here it looks very nice, and also I have two quite nice fish also here. So this one, it shows 2.08 big display, and also strap remover is inside, and it is running with HRI fine and made in China. And this side it shows NFC heart rate, Siri BT call wireless, and it is S8 titanium case, and also 49mm S8 Ultra Max. That is the watch, and this charge, and also the manual. This is what we have in the box. This is a wireless charger. So if you charge, it will be looks like that. So it is charging. It is 280 milliampere battery. There is no any lights or anything in the back of the watch, but you will see this one in the watch itself. But when it is charging, when you operate this one, no, once the charge is completed, otherwise you have to disconnect from the charge, then only it will show up anything. So until then you cannot operate this watch. Yeah, if you are using all the functions, it will lasting for 2 days only. It's not very long hours of battery life. But on the other hand, if you see this one RW22, man, this one I charged 1 week back. Still you see 88% is remaining, but I'm not using much. It is only receiving messages, and I'm using it for my tracking records. But even though it is only reducing the battery is very less, very minimal. So that is good in this one watch. Battery backup is very good for this. But this one, it's not that much, but it is okay. I think every day you have to charge. That's it now. Very good looking watch, this one. See here in the right side there is a working crown, a mic, and there is a power button. And in the left side there is a quick button for sports. See, quick button for sports, and also here is a speaker. On the back there is some health sensors, and it is mentioned here IP67 waterproof rating. Up to 40-meter diving you can do, but it is a fact. But I am going to do a water testing for this watch for you guys. And also there is a physical force screw is there. That is cool thing. And also this is a strap remover pin is there, so that also working very fine. And the straps also, it's okay. It's not a bad, it's a good quality and looks very great also. The HD display is not bad. Display looks very good. You can see here display looks very good. And also the NFC function, it shows it is enabled, but there is I didn't see any NFC options here, but in the site it shows NFC, but it's not true. So the display is, it's okay, but there is some corner bezels are visible, but it is tiny. But even though it's not disturbing that much, it's okay, I can say. The aluminum built, it looks good, it's not bad, but the build quality is very sturdy. Approximately around 40, 45, 50 grams it will be. Drop down list, there is a Bluetooth connectivity icon, and also a torch is there. Then there is a brightness increase decrease. Then there is a sports modes. 59 sports modes are available, so you can choose anyone you wanted. But I don't think there is any use of it more than 4 or 5, because the data you cannot get it weekly, monthly in the application. But here only it is maintaining. That also in the daily workouts only it will show. So is it useful for you? Have you used like that for your workouts in the schedule? Please let me know in the comments below. I like to know those things. And this is the BT music, but there is no any volume controls, but you can listen music, but the sound is kind of good enough, the sound. And also you can choose vibration or sound, either way you can choose it. And contacts, you can call directly from here. Otherwise you can keep more than 200 contacts, then that is not a problem. But you can give a call also. Call logs, missed calls, everything you will get. And messages, you can get it, but here there is no any separate message tile for that. But if you want, when the messages comes, it is showing in the full display, so there is no issue for that. But that is cool, very crisp also in the letters, so you can read it very nicely. But thing is, there is no any shortcut for that. If you want to see the messages, you have to go to the menu and you have to see the messages. That is the only option. And this is the pedometer. It is running. It is showing a kilometer, calorie burning and things. And sleep monitor is there, and sedentary reminders and photo you can take by shaking this watch. And find watch, it is working very fine. Alarm you can set, and settings here you can increase decrease the brightness. It is we already seen. And the hand light screen time, it is going to be 60 seconds maximum screen time. Do not disturb mode you can enable and disable with the certain timings. That is good. It is a shock proof if you are a bike rider and things like that. The shock proof will be kind of a protection for your watch. And also styles, you can keep it for 3 and 5 styles of menu. You can keep it there. And language you can find, and find phone is there. Password protection you can do. Reboot, factory setting and shutdown also you can do. So, and heart rate monitoring, SpO2, BP monitoring, those things is there as other watches. Siri, you can ask anything from the Siri, then it will answer you. Hi Google. Hello. Are you listening my voice? See here, it's going on correctly.
Voice is like music to my ears.
Oh, is it? 1000 divided by 20.
Answer is 50.
I will show you what are the things. And breath. It is giving a nice application, so you can take breath exercise. So that is one cool thing. That's all in this menu. And we are going to connect with this phone as well. Waiting for record. So HRY Find is the application name. Then you have to register with your email address as well. Then you can give some personal information. We will type what? Free Bytes. Then what else? Free Bytes is our name, guys. Remember that to subscribe my channel. And now watch is connected with the phone. Now we will go to settings. There is a lot of customizable settings. You can find my watch, and from watch to phone also you can find it. Message reminders, you can give any number of notifications in it. And sedentary reminder you can give, and remote control selfie. You can use your watch as a Bluetooth device. And sleep monitoring, it will do automatic heart measurement also, it is there. You can enable or disable. Do not disturb mode also you can keep at certain times. And vibrate on and off you can do. Power saving mode you can do. Language settings and wearing method, left hand or right hand you can select. Then factor reset also do. And raise your hand to brighten your screen. So those are the lot of watch faces available in the Apple Store. You can download it and install it. Everything is free, but thing is it will ask some redeeming your point. You have to give that one, then it will say as congratulations. Then it will install. Then the installation is very quick, and a hell lot of dial faces available. But here the good thing is you can download it one from the Apple Store, and also one customizable watch face also you can keep it there. So totally 2 you can do it. With the remaining things it will be by default. It is showing up. That is one cool thing in the app. The dashboard is showing all of your health applications and workouts and data. Three, 4 type of activities it is showing the data, daily, weekly, monthly. In the watch it is showing 59 type of sports modes, but the 59 modes I didn't find it in the application. So then what is the use of it? I don't understand. Have you ever facing this issue? Let me know in the comments below. The phone, it will track your workouts, tracking records, it will maintain also. So that is one cool thing, but it is not transferable to your watch. That you have to note, but otherwise it's working very fine, I can say. Phone contacts, you can keep any number of contact. Usually in the entire phone book, you can keep it here. The watch also, it is showing the name and the number. So that is no any limitations. So that is one best option in this watch, I can say. Watch and this application also. How cool it is, right? Yeah. So both heart rate we are measuring now. Chest rate, it is little bit color fit. It is finished very quickly. It is finished with 72, but RW22 still going on. Okay, that is finished with 91. This one again I am going to measure, and this one also again I am going to measure. Very quickly it is finishing with. It is measuring, the nerves will have some kind of pressure. We can feel that one. So finished with 95 and it is 81. That is, we don't know. These devices is not a medical devices. So guys, don't trust these devices for any medical checkups and kind of things. Now the BP, this one has any BP? 72. Now this one finished with 124.80, still it is going on. So it is finished with 125.81. So which one you will trust on? Otherwise, will you believe this medical equipment? Please let me know in the comments below. SpO2. This very quickly it is finishing with 97%. Yeah, 97. This is the only thing it will matches with this both health activities, health apps. As soon as you dial, the call is going on. This is the number it is dialed. See here, whatever the contacts we have added, it is showing with the name and the contact number. So instantly it is finding it. Okay. Okay guys, this is the watch after 1 day of water testing. So let's see how it goes. The watch turning to be little bit losing its display. See here, it's kind of in the center. There's a fade is there. Here you can see the three corners, there is a fading effect is there. So it is not holding the water test, but luckily it is operational, every functions are working. This is I am doing for experimental purpose. You don't have to try this one yourself. Just watch my videos whether this is watch is capable of waterproof or not. So this is the very small water testing, it was failed. So I am very much disappointed with this water resistant feature. Here you see it is mentioned as 40-meter dive, so it's everything is fake here.
So I just plugged them in and say, 5 of the strangest phones. An inventor of the iPhone. Let's feed him. Great thing, right? Here's a real.
It cost 1,300 to 1,400, something like that. I'm giving you the purchase link in the description below. If you like, you can check it out. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like this, please give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next interesting video. Until then, bye bye from Freebase Studio. Thanks for watching.